Welcome back, my friends. All right, well, it's that week to eat, and eat again. All right, it's Thanksgiving. If you didn't know, it's one of those magical days each year when we all gather around the table and pretend we totally understand how long a turkey needs to cook and slightly judge each other's side dishes. Yeah, that's a big tradition. So let's talk family time. Whether your crew is loud, quiet, dramatic, hungry, or all of the above, take a minute to really enjoy it. Laugh, hug, and maybe don't bring up politics. Well, if you want to start a fight, then maybe. Or don't bring up mortgages or why Aunt Susan's stuffing tastes like a little regret. Keep it light. Or if you are like my family, maybe keep the drinking down to a minimum. But what is the fun in that? Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. All right, now let's talk about cooking. Look, Thanksgiving cooking is basically the Super Bowl of kitchen chaos. Pots everywhere, timers going off, someone yelling, "Who touched the oven?" It's beautiful, it's chaotic, it's family. But I have some safety tips. If your turkey starts smoking, it is not trying to send smoke signals of appreciation. Turn down the heat, Karen. Also, keep the oven mitts away from the dog. Yep, he's back there somewhere. Don't try to deep fry a frozen turkey unless you want a free fireworks show. And for the love of gravy, don't let Uncle Tim carve anything after his 4th shot of tequila. And hey, if you're cramming 14 people into one kitchen, the size of a closet, you might rethink next year maybe we need to upgrade. Bigger kitchen, a bigger dining room, a second fridge, so the apple pie doesn't have to sit on the porch. All right, if feeling like hosting is traumatic, maybe you want a smaller house so that you can officially claim there's just no room and someone else gets stuck cooking. I won't judge. I'll support you. Trust me, I've got your back. All right. I specialize in kitchens when you can actually turn around without bumping into your cousin. Trust me, I had a gully kitchen one time and it was just awful. And dining rooms where you don't have to use folding chairs from 1994. All right, drop a fun, hilarious Thanksgiving memory in your comments, whether it's your burnt turkey saga or your mashed potato meltdown, or the year your nephew put the cranberry sauce in the dog's bowl. I want to hear every bit of the chaos. If you're anything like my family, pretty sure making memories memorable is a Thanksgiving Day tradition. Or Christmas, 4th of July. I actually have several fun memories of Thanksgiving. One of my favorite memorable ones is when my parents were supposed to remove the turkey from the freezer to thaw. Apparently no one happened to do that in time for for prepping the bird. And well, let's just say that bird got the bird several times. And then that bird was actually thrown out into the yard, completely frozen. So we ended up going out to dinner that Thanksgiving. All right, there's a couple other I'd love to share, but I don't think it is appropriate for my audience. Just saying. Yeah, it gets kind of goofy. Happy Thanksgiving. All my friends, be safe. And remember, if you're stressed out, don't blame the bird or yell a few obscene words to him. Do a shot of tequila, sit back, and relax. All right? As always, we're in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates. So happy Turkey Day.